Well, I'll give you the short version. Safety second. We're gonna take off the front bumper tonight after I actually turned the camera on. Oh, we already did that.
Oops.
Pulled some lights out, had to cut some wires. This headlight was melted, completely fried to itself. The other one came out fine. The front clip is garbage. It had been bottomed out a billion times. So, but I might steal the side marker lights and put them on the Jimny. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna go see Clint tomorrow. That is gonna be amazing. He's coming down to visit. We're gonna go over and meet him. Autumn wants to go. Angel can't go. Fortunately, she has to work. So.
Sad.
Aw. But we'll catch you next week. Today, the girls are going to rip the seats out of this so we can get to the wiring a little better. We're going to have Mommy, when she gets done cooking, come and start taking some wiring out, and I'm going to start taking some lights out that we're actually going to put on the Jimny. I'm going to take those turn signals from the front. So let's get her jacked up and moved around and start taking some stuff out. Yeah?
Yep.
Hi guys, welcome back to our garage. Today we are going to be pulling and cutting some wires. What else?
I'm trying to take this engine out today.
Yes, we're gonna try to take this engine out. But first order of business is getting the wires together for, what's his name?
John Brown.
For John Brown, so that he can make us a new wiring harness.
Yep.
So he can make us a new wiring harness. Let's get to work.
All right. Okay, real quick, I am gonna move the Aerio around so we can get this motor out a little bit better. I don't know what is up with the camera, it is not very straight. I have to work on that. Anyway, it's lunchtime at work, and I work from home most of the time. So I'm gonna whiz this guy around and get it prepped for ripping the engine out tonight. Well, that was quick. I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3,
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Captain's log, day 4,200 of trying to take out this motor. We have one pesky bolt left, and then hopefully it will all come out. Hopefully.
Let's get it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our garage. Smash that subscribe button and we'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.